Once there lived a girl named Twinkle. She had some pet dogs and cat. She wanted to have some birds also. She went to the pet shop but found no bird there. So she just bought a cage and came out. Just as she was about to enter her home, she saw a little canary sitting in a nest on a tree. What a cute little bird, thought Twinkle. The canary was the youngest bird of the family. Then Twinkle saw that the canary's elder father and mother were teaching him to fly. They encouraged the little canary to flap his wings and try to fly. The little canary, Tweety, ran to the edge of the nest and attempted to fly. But he was afraid of falling, so he couldn't succeed. He just fluttered his wings. Twinkle fancied the canary so much that she climbed up the tree to catch the little bird. When Canary's parents saw Twinkle climbing the tree, they flew away. Twinkle got hold of the little canary. She put him in the cage. "This is your new home, little Tweety," she said. She named the bird Tweety. One day, Tweety was swinging in the cage when she saw Sylvester's ears. Sylvester was Twinkle's pet cat. Tweety said, I thought I saw a putty cat. I thought I saw a pussy cat." Then he jumped off his swing and ran to the back of the cage. One day, while Twinkle was out, Sylvester opened the cage and got hold of Tweety. "I finally got you now," he said. Sylvester then opened his mouth and showed his pointy teeth. Tweety jumped from his clutch and pecked him on the nose. "Ouch!" Sylvester shouted, in the pain as he jumped into the air and grabbed his nose. Sylvester couldn't grab Tweety. He jumped again and again, but his hands couldn't reach Tweety. Tweety looked for an escape. He saw a nearby open window, so he flew over to the window and jumped out. Sylvester tried to follow him, but little Tweety was high in the air. He looked down. The buildings and houses looked blurry from above. Tweety was very happy. He finally found the courage to fly. After flying for a few minutes, Tweety reached his parents' nest. His parents were very happy to see him. Tweety's parents appreciated his courage. "You were a brave boy, Tweety. Well done," they said.